In this video, I'll show you how to import an Excel sheet over to PowerPoint. Now, there's two different ways to do this depending on whether you want to import the entire sheet or you just want to import a certain segment. So I'm going to start by showing you how to import an entire sheet. Now, to do this, you first need to make sure you've saved your Excel spreadsheet, and then we can head over to PowerPoint, and you need to click on Insert in the top navigation. From the Insert tab, come over to this icon here, which is labeled as Object, and then go ahead and select that. Click on Create from File, click on Browse, and then locate your Excel worksheet. Double-click to load up the file, and make sure you've checked this option here, Link, and then press OK. Now, as you can see, this has now imported my entire worksheet over from Excel, and also if we double-click on this image like so, it will take us over directly to the worksheet. Now, another cool feature of importing this Excel sheet is if I make a change to the data over in my Excel document. Let's say I change this 800 to 2000 instead. Click on File and then select Save. If I now head back over to my PowerPoint presentation, you can see that this number is updated in real time. If it's not updating for you, then you can always right-click on the image and select Update Link. So that's the first way that we can import an Excel spreadsheet. Obviously, this imports the entire document. Now, if you want to import just a certain segment of Excel, then we can do that as well. So let me just delete this for a second. And what you need to do is head over to your Excel sheet. Select the part of the sheet that you want to copy. Right-click and then select Copy. Head back over to your PowerPoint presentation. Click on the Home tab right at the top. Next to Paste, select the drop-down arrow, and then select Paste Special. Click on Paste Link, select Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object, and press OK. And as you can see, that's automatically imported that certain segment from our Excel worksheet. So that's it, guys. That's two ways that you can import data from Excel over to PowerPoint. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.